want you to just be standing over here and record the whole thing. Just get good angles on it.
Oh, that was amazing. Get him a sticker. It says Kim Block. Thinks he can drift. Little light. Your front wheels are the only ones that's locked up. Not bad for a rookie.
Thanks. All right, so we're here. We got the Miata. We got the metal. We found some metal to put on it, and we're getting it cut out now. And we'll keep you updated as it goes on. So we've got it all cut. You can tell behind me we're getting it all welded up now. Getting it to where we can actually mount it onto the trunk. We'll probably just drill some holes in here and come in from the bottom and attach them. All right, so we got the wing on, and then we had another idea to go ahead and cut the muffler off and put another pipe coming out of it. So we're going to show you a before and after and go through with it through this. So this is what we're going to put on it. Dylan. So we're going to go ahead and get this put on, and then we'll show you what it sounds like after. So we finished up the wing. We got the muffler and the exhaust on from the video you just seen. We got the wing on the car. It's the next day. We ran out of daylight, and I couldn't really give a good walk around out in the shop out there. There was too much commotion going on. So we're going to go ahead and give you the walk around of what it looks like on the vehicle. It's not perfect, but it is something. This is part 2 to the video. I think we're going to do one more part, and we're going to go through and paint the whole thing, and we'll walk you guys through with it as we do that. We've sprayed a little bit on this side just to kind of give it a a little color to see what it's going to look like. We welded a rod across the top to kind of give it some stability, because the metal is a lot thinner than what I originally wanted it to be, and so it was trying to bend with this on there, and it still, I mean, it moves a little bit, but that's just from the trunk. If you watch up there, the trunk moves. So that's what we've got. That's what we're going to do with it. In the next part, we're going to sand it down, primer it, and paint it. And then we should be done with the spoiler build. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like it, leave a like and subscribe. And let us know in the comments anything else that you want to see. And until next time, be great.